Muthenya wa Jumatatu atumia aria mananyitirira ituro itiganite thirikari-ini na muingi-ini iria hau kabere cionagwo ta iri cia arume aika maracemanitie mucii kwa ndagitari Mũringo Kĩere-ini kaunti-ini ya Nairobi kurathima mutirithia wa Raila Odinga Martha Karua.
Your Excellency, and we have no apologies to make calling you that because it's going to be that way. Martha Karua, if you know the prayers that are being said for you today in Kenya, you would be flattered.
I am sure the ladies on the front table there, today is a very special time for them because this is the dream that they have been fighting for.
One day we can see you coming from one county and then you are in another. So, as I say, it's good to be young.
We are celebrating this long journey.
Mogereire ati Karua ndamurirwo ni Odinga tondu tu ni mutumia indi ni kumana na umenyo na uhoti uria ari naguo ona wa gutuika president.
She is not a flower girl. If today I wake up and I hear Karua is the president, I will just say amen because she is able. Martha is just there, one step, and we reach the top. And we said before we pass on, we must make sure that that happens. Women issues are family issues because it's women who care about families. So even the men and children are included in those women issues.
God has given you the strength, and indeed, you know that you have the goodwill of Kenyan people to do what you are doing.
She stands not just for herself, but for all Kenyan women. She stands ready to right the wrongs that stain our motherland, to bring down dividing walls and create bridges of understanding. She assumes the stage to address the suffering of Kenya's majorities, to use the megaphone in her hands to advocate justice for all people.
Atumia aya marauga riu ni ihinda riao munene na munini kumathira Odinga na Karua kura.
So how many are promising me to go to work from today? Mkono juu. To make sure that Mother and Azimio Raila Amolo Odinga gets to State House.
Let us bring all women on board to make sure we deliver our next Deputy President and our future President of the Republic of Kenya.
But I would pledge today, Martha, to gather as many of my intelligent, influential, deeply committed, vanilla-colored sisters to vote for you.
As much as we're saying, yeah, we support Martha and we're excited about it, if we don't deliver the votes on August 9th, about 14 million votes, and 6 million of them being women, it will be such a lost opportunity.
Let us make it happen so that we may free our daughters, our grandchildren, to just walk in like they belong, the way our sons do.
Augite ati we na Odinga ni mehariirie gukanjiriria gutungata muingi mathurwo tariki 9 mweri ukite.
I am ready, able and willing. So help me God.
Aduini Hainoro TV kuma guku kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.